The website builder you choose is either a launch pad for success or a wall that locks people out. Seriously, your platform choice can make or break your site for people with disabilities. In 2025, this isn't just a nice to have, it's essential for reaching everyone and staying on the right side of the law. So let's break down the big three: Wix, Shopify, and WordPress. First up, Wix. It's super user-friendly with its drag-and-drop editor. Their best feature is the accessibility wizard. It literally scans your site and gives you a step-by-step checklist to fix problems. It's perfect for beginners or small businesses who value ease of use above all else. The catch? You don't get deep code access, so complex fixes can be a no-go. Running an online store? Shopify is your go-to. Their whole game is making sure people can buy stuff, and that includes making the shopping experience accessible. Their themes are built to meet compliance standards, and their app store has tools specifically for e-commerce. It's all about making sure that cart and checkout work for everyone. Then there's WordPress. This is for those who want total control. It's open source, meaning you can customize everything. The core software and default themes are built with accessibility in mind, and the plugin library is massive. But with great power comes great responsibility. You're in the driver's seat, so you have to know what you're doing. So, what's the verdict? It's simple. Choose Wix if you're a beginner who wants an easy, all-in-one solution. Choose Shopify if you're selling products online. And choose WordPress if you need maximum flexibility and control. Picking the right platform isn't just about accessibility. It's about building a website that genuinely works for everyone.